Welcome back to my channel. I'm Julielinh Mouret and I'm here with my mom, Mama Mai. Can you say hello?
Hello, this is Mama Mai.
Today we're gonna make my mom's instant Mi Xao. This is a little bit different than her traditional Vietnamese Mi Xao because it's gonna be something that you can do from home with ingredients that you can find in Publix, correct?
Exactly.
Okay, so here we go to instant Mi Xao. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's get started.
For this recipe, you will need wonton noodles. We use 12 ounces, green scallions, cilantro, jumbo white shrimp, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, snow pea, white mushroom, white onion, salt and pepper. For the gravy, you will need 1 cup of chicken broth and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. In a separate bowl, you will need to mix sesame seed oil, sugar, and soy sauce.
This is fresh wonton noodle. So when you pack it, you need to lose it this way.
And if you don't have wonton noodles, ramen noodles are just fine. Follow the recipe for the wonton noodles and then you can fast forward through this recipe and do ramen noodles. After you loosened up the fresh wonton noodles, we're gonna put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes for 4 bunches or 1 minute for 2 bunches.
Yes. Halfway through, then I will take it out and I will look over this way. Then I will put it back for 1 more minute.
All right, once you've microwaved the wonton noodles, we're gonna drop it into this boiling water. And how long are we gonna do this for, about, Mommy?
1 minute.
1 minute.
The whole thing needs to be inside.
After you cook the Mi Xao noodles for about 1 minute, we're gonna drain them. Ready? Let's go.
When you drain the noodle, then you put in the dish. You need to make the sauce that we did it already right there, maybe about 2 tablespoons.
And what's in the sauce? This is the soy sauce, the
Sauce,
oil,
the
or
oil, sugar, pepper.
Okay. And it's very important that when you use sugar in Asian recipes that you microwave it for a second so it dissolves. Otherwise it kind of stays whole and it doesn't work as well.
And you mix it. This way it will everything in here.
Okay. So the mixture of the soy sauce, sesame oil, and sugar will be used both for the noodles as well as the vegetables.
Right. Now we will put the sauce inside the boiling water. Then I will cut all the vegetables that I cut already here, put it inside here, boiling water for 1 minute.
Once the vegetables have been boiling for about 1 minute, look at how vibrant they look. This is when it's time to take it out. You're gonna drain it. And then get ready to do the stir fry. Okay, once you've drained the noodles, we're gonna smash the garlic, heat up the pan, and get ready to stir fry the vegetables. Now, if you have a garlic press, it's the best thing, I'm telling you. It's so much easier than this.
You put the oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil. When the garlic beginning like a brown, then you add a little onion. Then the shrimp. The shrimp you just sprinkle a little bit salt in the shrimp and pepper, and you stir fry it. Now when the shrimp you see like curling a little see that is done. So then you put the vegetable in. Do you have the thing that we what you call?
We're gonna add in the other half of the soy sauce.
Yeah, put it in.
And what is this, Mommy?
Soy sauce, sugar, oil, and a dash of pepper, and just stir up. On this recipe, you can use shrimp, chicken, pork, beef, or you can combine all of the protein.
Next step will be your green scallions.
Right, wait. The last step that we will pour over the vegetable from the chicken stock and cornstarch in here to make it
So
thick.
this is the gravy, which is the mixture of the cornstarch and the chicken broth. Make sure it's cold, because if it's not cold, you're gonna have a lot of lumps. So you wanna always dissolve your flour or your cornstarch in cold water or cold chicken stock. Now that the vegetables are done, we're gonna pour them over our Mi Xao noodles. And look at that, yummy. And then to garnish, we're gonna throw on some cracked black pepper. It wouldn't be Vietnamese if you didn't throw a lot of black pepper on it. Be generous.
And then you will pour the cilantro over.
Or my mom calls it Chinese parsley.
Enjoy the meal. I hope you like it.
We're putting that in.
What?
Once your vegetables are done, and oh, that's hot, holy cow. All right,
You want me to do it?
yeah. Holy cow, that was super hot. Oh my God, I just brought myself. One second, I'm bleeding like